Antigen. What is an antigen? Antigen is a high molecular weight protein or polypeptide. Remember, antigen is high molecular weight protein or polypeptide present on the outside of foreign body, which has the ability to generate the immune response. What is antigen? Antigen is a protein or a polypeptide present on any foreign body or any cell. This particular protein or polypeptide has ability to produce antigenic responses, immune responses. What are these immune responses? These immune responses will lead to the destruction of these foreign body. See, every cell has these antigens, but two different species, two different organisms have different antigens. Pathogen will have different antigen, and a human will have different antigen, an animal will have different antigen. So when this antigen of pathogen will enter the organism will recognize that the antigen present on the foreign body is different from the antigen present on their cells. Then it will lead to certain immune responses which will finally lead to its destruction. Now what are these immune responses? See, this antigen possess certain regularly reoccurring molecular groups. You can see this is the antigen, and on this antigen these are the regularly reoccurring molecular groups on the antigen which has the ability to generate immune responses. Now what is this immune responses? Immune responses means these regularly reoccurring molecules which are known as epitope will bind to antibody, and this antibody will lead to a destruction of this whole foreign body. So this destruction of foreign bodies which are entering in an organism is nothing but immune response. So epitope and antigen are very essential. So foreign body or any cell has this antigen which is nothing but a high molecular weight protein or polypeptide, more than 8,000 daltons. It should be more than 8,000 daltons, which is present, which has the ability to generate immune response. And what is epitope? Epitope is the regularly reoccurring molecular groups on the antigen which has actually the power to generate the immune response, that is the destruction of foreign body. And antibody binds with this antigen. You can see this is antibody and this is antigen. So the place of antigen where antibodies get bind, that particular place is epitope. So what are epitopes? Epitopes are nothing but they are regularly reoccurring molecular groups via which antibodies are getting attached. That means they are responsible for generating the immune response. Epitope are present on the antigen, and antigen is present on the foreign body. And when any foreign body enters the humans or any other animals, these foreign body gets destroyed. How? The antibodies present in the organism binds with the epitope of antigen of the foreign body and leads to the destruction of foreign body. In this way, the foreign body get destroyed, and this is nothing but immune response.